Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best drones. We made the list based on around opinion research and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have revolutionized various industries with their versatility and advanced technology. Initially developed for military purposes, drones have found widespread use in photography, agriculture, surveying, and even delivery services. These flying devices range from small consumer-friendly models to large industrial-grade machines, offering a diverse array of features like high-resolution cameras, GPS navigation, and autonomous flight capabilities. As technology continues to advance, drones are becoming more accessible, affordable, and sophisticated, making them an invaluable tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 5. LS V168 Drones. Weighing in at just 925 grams, the LS V168 is lightweight yet robust, making it easy to carry, and durable enough to withstand regular use. The drone's design includes a removable and replaceable battery, which is a huge plus for extended flying sessions. Although it lacks a built-in display, its connectivity options via an app controller, remote control, and Wi-Fi provide a seamless user experience. One of the standout features of the LS V168 is its camera. With 8K HD video recording capabilities, it captures stunningly detailed footage. The drone supports MP4 video format, ensuring compatibility with most devices and editing software. The maximum video resolution is 480i, 720x480 pixels, which is decent for casual use, but might not satisfy professional videographers. The LS V168 performs admirably with a maximum wind resistance of less than 10 km per hour, making it suitable for calm weather conditions. It offers a flight time of approximately 22 minutes, which is fairly standard for drones in this category. The 2000 mAh remote controller battery capacity ensures you won't run out of power mid-flight. Equipped with GPS, the LS V168 provides accurate positioning and stability during flight. The drone operates on a 5 GHz frequency, reducing interference and enhancing control precision. It supports 4 control channels. Number 4. Lenovo Z908 Pro Max Drones. The Lenovo Z908 Pro Max boasts a sleek and compact design, weighing in at just 300 grams. Its lightweight nature makes it highly portable without compromising on durability. The removable and replaceable battery design adds to its convenience, allowing for extended flight sessions by simply swapping out batteries. One of the standout features of this drone is its remarkable camera capabilities. The 8K resolution, 7680x4320 pixels, ensures stunningly detailed videos and photos. The drone is equipped with a 150 degrees field of view, capturing expansive landscapes with ease. The optical zoom up to 50x is another fantastic addition, allowing for close-up shots without losing clarity. Stability in aerial footage is crucial, and the Lenovo Z908 Pro Max excels in this area with its advanced camera stabilization system. It includes optical image stabilizer, gimbal image stabilizer, and electronic image stabilization, ensuring smooth and steady footage even in challenging conditions. The drone's maximum horizontal speed of 18 meters per second and a descent speed of 16 meters per second provide a thrilling flight experience. Overall, the Lenovo Z908 Pro Max is an outstanding drone that combines advanced features, exceptional camera quality, and reliable performance. Number 3. FIMI Mini 3 Drones. The FIMI Mini 3 boasts a max wind speed resistance of 20 to 30 km per hour, ensuring stability even in moderately windy conditions. With a max takeoff weight of under 1 kg, it remains agile and responsive. The drone weighs just 249 grams, making it extremely portable and compliant with various aviation regulations, eliminating the need for registration in many regions. One of the standout features of the FIMI Mini 3 is its camera capabilities. Equipped with a 48 million pixel camera, it can capture stunning 4K videos at a resolution of 4096x2160 pixels. The 5.0-inch sensor size enhances image quality, ensuring crisp and clear footage. Whether you're an amateur enthusiast or a professional, the 4K HD video recording feature will exceed your expectations. Although it lacks an aerosol spraying system and loudspeaker, the FIMI Mini 3 focuses on what it does best: delivering high-quality aerial footage. The operating frequency spans both 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz, ensuring a reliable connection. Number 2. Xiaomi V168 Drones. The Xiaomi V168 boasts a compact and lightweight design, weighing in at just 600 grams. Despite its light weight, it is durable and built to withstand moderate wind conditions, with a max wind speed resistance of less than 10 km per hour. Its sleek design and sturdy construction make it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned drone users. One of the standout features of the Xiaomi V168 is its integrated camera, which supports 8K HD video recording. The camera ensures crisp and clear footage, capturing every detail with remarkable clarity. It records videos in MP4 format with a maximum resolution of 720 x 480 pixels, 480 IP, which is suitable for general aerial photography and videography needs. The Xiaomi V168 offers multiple control options including an app controller, remote control, and Wi-Fi connection, providing users with flexibility in how they wish to pilot their drone. It operates on a 5G HC frequency, ensuring a stable and interference. Number 1. Xiaomi MIJIA V88 drones. The MIJIA V88 sports a sleek and modern design, built with lightweight materials that ensure durability without compromising on portability. Weighing under 1 kilogram, this drone is easy to handle and transport. Its replaceable battery design allows for extended use by simply swapping out batteries, making it convenient for long shooting sessions. Equipped with a 48-megapixel camera that supports 8K video recording, 7680 x 4320 pixels, the MIJIA V88 delivers exceptional image quality. The camera features a combination of optical image stabilization, gimbal stabilization, and electronic image stabilization, ensuring smooth and clear footage even during dynamic movements. Additionally, the 50x optical zoom capability allows for capturing distant subjects in great detail. The MIJIA V88 can be controlled via an app, remote control, or Wi-Fi connection, providing versatile options for users. It supports a 2.4 GHz operating frequency and offers a control range of up to 5,000 meters, ensuring reliable connectivity and control even over long distances. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those products. Please subscribe my channel for more update.